Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 16 FT easy assembly round trampoline for family, outdoor jumping trampoline with safety enclosure net and metal ladder. Best gift for your kids. The safe enclosure net of trampoline protects your kids all round. The trampoline can keep your kids healthier, promote children's height, improve their balance and bounce abilities. It is the best gift for your kids. The useful specifications are for some specification. If you cannot find from the video, please contact our sales via Dana's website. Thick and steel tube. Our kids' trampoline is made of galvanized steel tube, which is not only environmentally friendly, but also prevents rust and improves the stability. A two-way lock on the enclosure net makes it easy to open and close the zipper whether inside or outside the trampoline. Easy to install. We provide detailed graphic instructions for kid trampoline so you can follow the steps to install. If you have any questions during the installation process, please contact us in time. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.